Hey guys, WBTreece here from WBTreece Consultants. I'm so excited about our next WBTC 201 Commercial Inspector Confidence course. We've completely redesigned this to not just cover the how-tos of commercial inspection, but also cover the how do I build a commercial inspection business, because confidence comes from learning, it comes from experience, it also comes from having a specific path in mind. Not just a path to do inspections, but a path to build a commercial business. So we've revamped this syllabus. Now you're able to watch me in what we call surgery. Watch me do the whole inspection. Then the second inspection, you get to do the skeleton. You get to do a checklist that you've built. The third inspection, you get to do the skin. You write the whole thing. Then in the classroom sessions, we're not only reviewing site components, stories about things that have gone right, things that have gone wrong. Where do you get a logo? How do you build a website? Where do you find commercial clients? What does a cold call sound like? There's all sorts of building components and business components that we want to touch on. So it's no longer just about the building, it's about the business too. I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you that are serious about building your business, serious about building your skills, and you just want to have a great time inspecting and learning more. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.